So now this is going to be our movement for the day on our Euro GBP, by the way. So this is going to be the movement for the day on Euro GBP. If we take a look at this right here, market has been rejecting from this zone multiple times, right? This is our support zone, by the way. So market has literally been rejecting from this our support zone multiple times. So now pay attention to this moment. Market literally rallied up, then it dropped to target support level, right? Market also rejected from the support level and came up to the resistance zone. Market eventually dropped to tap the support level, right? Then it rallied up. Market eventually dropped again to tap the support level. Market rallied up. Market eventually dropped again to tap this our support level. Now it is now rallying up, so market is now pushing up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our Euro GBP. We should be expecting Euro GBP to give us that bullish move. Now this is our first high. Here comes the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to give us a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high. So with this higher high that market has given us, it has now dropped to form an higher low. So now that this higher low has been made, it has now tapped our 10-period simple moving average. So with such a movement, right, our next movement on Euro GBP will be bullish move. So that bullish move should play out till it is able to take out this high, thereby giving us a new higher high. So a movement to the upside is what we should be expecting on our Euro GBP. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, make your comment. And also make sure you follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on any updates. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the section. So the next movement on our Euro GBP be a bullish move. And let's see, probably bullish move should start playing in London session. Once the London session opens, we can start looking for the bullish move.